We used to clean all the major things like windows, floor, appliances etc. but overlook little areas like light switches, which may become one of the dirtiest places in our homes. People used to touch switches regularly, and germs get deposited and picked up. A person has to be careful while cleaning a switchboard, and try not to spray any kind of liquid solution on the electric switches, which may cause fire. Here I am sharing a small tip, how to clean the dirty old light switches in minutes. Buy any type of car polish rubbing compound, which is used to remove small scratches from car bodies from the market. Now apply small amount of the rubbing compound material on the dirty electric switches and rub with your fingers, clothes, rubber wiper anything you find suitable for a few seconds. If you wish you can leave the application on the switches for 1 to 2 minutes and rub it. You will be amazed how easily the dirt is removed from the age-old electric switches. Lastly, remove the polish materials from the switches, using an old toothbrush. To have sparkling switches in your homes, apply it once a month for good result.